guys, it's me, Jennifer-Biana, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz, and let me know what you think. Also, please click the notification bell to be notified every time I post, and my social media will be somewhere here if you like to follow, come through. My Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and everything is very, very girly, so come through. Today I am super excited because I took the deal that Apple gives you, the college deal, as a non-college student who just graduated. If you buy any MacBook right now, you get free AirPods, so I will do an AirPod unboxing as well, but I did get a big MacBook Pro, and I'm so excited because I did get into a master's program, so I do need a really good laptop, and I'm also starting to work through online that I need a good laptop for, as well as video editing and stuff. So I did have a MacBook Air before. It was like the 2016 or 2017 MacBook Air, and I had a friend recently who had a MacBook Pro 2016 and he didn't want it anymore, and he told me that if I buy like some repairing kit that he'll repair it and give it to me. So that's what I'm currently using right now, is a 2016 MacBook Pro, which I did a video on recently. I really like that laptop, but the thing is, it's the 2016 models where the keyboard's a little messed up. If you guys read about that, Apple had a manufacturing error with the keyboard, so a lot of times when I type, the letters will double or it won't even press at all. And I'm starting a master's program soon, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna write essays, so I think I need a really good laptop. I appreciate my friends so much for doing that though. It has been amazing, and I will use it as a secondary thing if I ever need it. But I decided to splurge since I just graduated college and I'm working now and getting my master's. I was like, let me get the best MacBook Pro there is, which is the newest one. This is the 2019 MacBook Pro, and it is in the biggest size possible. Here is a little strappy strap. Let me take that off. ASMR time for you guys. That really wasn't that good. The MacBook Pro 16-inch. Wow, yeah, I've never gotten a laptop this big before. All my laptops have been so small. Oh my god. So I got it in silver, and I actually do have a case that's coming. I'm working with Case App for this video. They sent me a couple cases for this laptop and my old laptop, so I will be showing them at the end of the video. So freaking sweet. I'm excited for those to come. They still haven't come yet, so we will fast forward in time when I get the new cases. But oh my god, this is huge. In comparison, I will show you my I believe this is 14-inch. This is a MacBook Pro, like 13 inch. And oh my god, in comparison, that's insane. It's gonna make me feel like such a professional. Okay, let's get her out. Oop. Of course, comes with a charger. I now have 3 chargers because I bought a charger for my MacBook Pro because I only had the Air charger, and the Air charger is different than the Pro. So I bought a charger for the MacBook Pro, and then that charger from Amazon started like fizzling. So then I bought another one recently, so now I have 3 because I forgot that this will come with its own charger. Great, I love myself. Also, I don't fully recommend getting the Amazon chargers. I mean, they're good, but they last a lot less than the Apple chargers. And now it's time for this ASMR. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so big. Okay, so this is my order, so I'm going to tell you the specs. So it's a 2.4 gigahertz, 8th core, 9th generation Intel Core i9 processor. Turbo boost up to 5 gigahertz, 16 gigabytes, 2666 megahertz, DDR4 memory, if this means anything to you. AMD Radeon Pro 5300M with a 4 gigabytes of GDDR6 memory, 512 gigabytes SSD storage, 16-inch Retina display with True Tone, 4 Thunderbolt 3 ports, Touch Bar and Touch ID, backlit Magic Keyboard, and yeah. And that was $2,500. So I've never splurged this hard on a laptop before. This is my first time, but you know, I just graduated college, again, starting the workforce. also master's programs. I was like, might as well get myself the best, especially creating content for companies and also creating YouTube videos. I feel like you really need a good laptop to do all that, because I do use programs like Photoshop, Premiere. I was expecting it to be a lot heavier. This is really light, as you can see. Look at it. I'm so excited to put the case on it. So this is the inside. This is such a huge screen. Oh my god. And also just look at the speakers on the side. Oh my god, one second. Do you guys see the speakers on the side? That is so much space for like good audio, and the touchpad is just so big. I've just been using really small laptops lately, so that is insane. As you could see on this old laptop, there's not that much space for everything. The keyboard for the old MacBook Pro is very thin. It's very light, like a very light press. You can see the keyboard is very thin, very low, versus here it's a little bit more raised, which I personally like. And I'm so happy. I actually really like the touch bar. It adds so much. It's so great. So I am going to set up my laptop, and this was my unboxing. This is everything comes in. It looks really great. It just looks like so much space coming from someone with such a small laptop. This is like ample amount of space on everything. I cannot wait to put my case on her from Case app. So without further ado, let's get into that footage. Hello, we're fast forwarding 2 weeks because I finally got the cases. I got skins for my 2 MacBooks that I have, as well as a cute little customizable iPhone case from Case app. Here's my code if you want to use it. It's 20% off. So these are the skins I chose. So the skins are super easy to customize on their website. It's literally just you upload the photo and then you could add text if you want. So of course I added my name, because I like things personalized just for me. It makes me feel special. So I actually did get a case for my MacBook Pro 2019 because it's so big and I'm gonna carry it around everywhere and I feel like I need it. So I'm gonna stick the skin onto the case. And for my regular MacBook, my little 2016 one, I'm just gonna stick the skin on it because she's just like kind of just to have at home. So here's the smaller one. This one's from my 2016. I found a bunch of cute photos on Pinterest and they came out such good quality. It's so nice. And they also tell you if the resolution of the photo is too bad so that it won't look good, and they like literally tell you so much information when you're making the case. It is so convenient and easy. Here's this one, because this is like my home laptop. I kind of wanted like a dreamy cute little case. I thought it was cute. It says Jennifer-Biana right here. And then you could also take out the little Apple sticker. It is, I think, super freaking adorable. And then this is the one for my new baby. Ah, look at her, she's so pretty. This is like my favorite picture of Paris ever. It's like on Pinterest. I'm so happy I could finally have it as a case because it's like literally my favorite picture ever. I put Jennifer-Biana right here to make it even cuter. I'm so excited. So we're gonna put it on right now. And also here's my new phone case. Super excited. This is the packaging it comes in. Love when cases come in reusable bags because I really do be reusing them. Like this would be a good sunglass case, you know. So again with the Parisian theme because I just really love Paris. This is the phone case. Oh my god, now I have to change my wallpaper because this is a little too much. I'm a little too crazy. It's really thin. I really like that. And then the buttons are out, so it's super easy to click anything. Super nice and super thin. And I like thin. Like I like feeling like my phone is thin and cute. Oh my god. This is so me. I love it. It is so girly and cute. So like neutral and beige. Oh my god. And I love that the design like goes across. Like the design like doesn't stop at the sides. It like actually goes across, which is so nice. Like the little coffee cup goes across. So yeah, check out Case app. The link is down below. Now let's add the skins to my laptop. The little Apple sticker came out too. I like that they give you the option if you want that Apple sticker, you know, also in the design or not. Also, this was really easy to put on because you literally, I thought it would be harder to put on, but you literally just like adjust it to the Apple sticker. This is so easy. I thought it would be so much harder to put it on symmetrically. Cute. Oh my god. So like, look at how cute this is. This is adorable. So it is upright, so like if I open my laptop up like this, I actually love this design. It is so adorable. It's so dreamy and cute. Okay. Oh my god, this looks just so cute in my room too. Just like, Oh my god, I'm so excited. So for my MacBook Pro 2016, I just bought a glossy case from Amazon because I definitely wanted a case on it. I know a skin, I'm assuming you would literally just do that. It came off super easily. I know you would just do that. For this laptop, I really wanted a case on it, especially if I'm traveling mostly with this one. So yeah, now I'm gonna put this one on. Okay. Okay. It doesn't fit exactly because it is on the case, like it is a little transparent here, but still, this, oh my god, look at this laptop. This is so me. This is so cute. I love this. This is so me. Look at it. It is so girly and cute. Both of these are adorable. Also, this does fit well in a case. If you want to buy yourself a case and then buy like a custom skin, you could totally do that because they work both pretty well, honestly. This is adorable, and I love that this laptop isn't dark. It's like a lighter color because it looks even better on this. But oh my god, if I'm ever working in a cafe, like look at how cute this is. And it says my name like right in this little corner, and it's not like obnoxious. I didn't want the name to be like super obnoxious, but like how cute. Oh my god, I'm so happy. These are so adorable. Thank you so much, KSAP, for sending me all of these adorable products. I absolutely love them. Check them out in the link below. Thank you.